There's our new addition. They look the same. They look like they're sisters. They're not. They're from two different litters. That's Luna. We just got her, and that's Oreo back in there. And she is the second kitten we just picked up. That's Luna. Luna! That's Oreo. That's Oreo. That's Luna.
The one that just went on.
There's Oreo. Oh, they're so cute. Luna doesn't let her go for 1 second.
They're getting so dirty.
Oh yeah, they'll clean themselves off. Or that could be our job.
Usually Oreo is the...
Okay. Who's biting in there? Cut that out. Come on, play nice. That's Oreo.
No biting.
That's Luna.
Just play.
Oh, come on.
Huh?
You have to separate the two of them.
Yeah.
But Oreo doesn't back down. She comes back after Luna too. That's Luna.
Playing with the purple pillow.
Yep.
That's her favorite.
Looking for
Oreo.
her new sister.
Oreo, come back here. Yeah. Oh, sneak attack. Ow! What did my foot do to you?
Come on, Oreo. Get Luna. Come on. Get her.
Just don't poke your eyes out. That's all I'm asking for.
You see how she came around and then swat her and took off.
Why is my leg getting brutalized?
It's in the way.
You can't eat the carpet. My goodness, I tell them like every day.
There's our new kitty. Another new one. Oh, there she goes. She's attacking me. Oh, no. Ah!
Attack mine.
Attacking my foot. That was Oreo. It's Oreo. Our new kitten.
Playing with catnip.
Our second new kitten. The companion to Luna. She's got a white spot. The only difference, she's a little bit longer. She's like a week older, and she's got a white spot on her stomach. There it is. Oh, yeah. She's playing with a catnip sock. Who doesn't like catnip?
Yeah. So cute. She's in my hat.
That's Luna.
No.
She's so adorable. She's gonna come after my peanut butter.
Luna, get off the table.
Okay.
Come on. Okay.
Break it up. They break it up. Come on.
Okay, Oreo.
Break it up.
Oreo, go on your feet.
This one is Oreo. That one is Luna. They're from 2 different litters. We got Luna last Wednesday. Don't remember what day it was. wait a minute. It was, May 8th we got her. And we got Oreo on Sunday, May 12th. Oreo is a little bit bigger, maybe a weekish, somewhere in there, bigger than Luna. And now they ran around all morning and they're so tired. Oh my goodness. We just love them so much. Anyway, these are 2 new kittens. Oreo is in the front. Luna is in the back.
Just don't wake them up.
Luna. Oreo. Oh, 2 new kittens to be a companion to each other.
Luna, go back to sleep.
Love you guys. Love you.
Luna, go back to sleep, okay, baby?
They were fighting, and now they love each other. Oreo, hello.
Yeah, so? No, I can't undo my pants or anything. Where are we headed with this, Shell? You said you'd help me. I was thinking more like I could make him a sandwich. Hey, I am not reaching into your pants. What am I supposed to do? Don't stand in the surf. Come on, roll on.
With Luna.
I'm
Luna.
coming. Ow.
Okay.